Let's dive into a fascinating idea. What if the Quran has its own built-in decoder?
I mean, it's a real challenge, right? How do you even approach a text this ancient? Usually, you'd need a whole library of external guides, commentaries, dictionaries, the works.
But what if the key was already inside? What if the book actually explains itself?
Well, there's a method the Quran names itself, and it's called Tasreef.
The text is pretty explicit. It says it rotates its signs so that people can understand.
So, the book is basically its own dictionary. One verse lights up the meaning in another.
The process is simple. Isolate a word, find all its appearances, and then just watch the pattern emerge.
It's kind of like walking around a sculpture. You have to see it from all sides, right?
Each verse is just a different angle on that same idea, building the full picture from within.
So you've got the structure, which is the blueprint, and Tasreef, which is the action.
Okay, that's the theory. But let's see how this works with a real-world example. Let's take the word salat. Traditionally, we think ritual prayer. But let's ask the book itself.
And right here, the text connects salat to a tangible feeling, calm, security, a sense of settling. So salat becomes an action that actually produces that feeling of security and calm.
When you gather other verses, a bigger picture emerges. It's about connection, commitment, and remembrance.
This completely shifts the focus. It's not just a ritual anymore, it's a whole way of life.
You can really see the difference. One method looks for answers outside, the other looks inside the text.
So why is this a big deal? It cuts down on bias and empowers you, the reader.
It's really the difference between having someone tell you what a text means
And letting the text speak for itself. It's a complete game changer.
So that leaves a huge question. If one word can change that much, what else is in there?